Everybody, today is a special field trip day because Stella and Brody's mom was on a trip recently and she spotted popcorn and she bought us a bag. It's bacon and peanut butter flavored. So we're gonna open that and see if everybody likes it. We'll see what they think. It has a big crunch, they say. Let's see how crunchy it is. Oh.
I like it because she looks right in the camera while she's eating it. Everybody likes it.
Hadley? Is you another one? Cricket, you want another one? Do you want another one? We got lots.
That was a good crunch,
That was
guys.
crunchy.
Oh, Stella.
Want a crunch on it? Rose is still working on hers down there. Here you go. Want a crunch?
Oliver, right here, buddy.
Bear. Oh, there's some on the ground. Here you go.
So gentle, Oliver.
Oh, you guys are such good babies. It's a big one, Miles. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Oh, good boy.